A good apology has three parts. I'm sorry, it's my fault, what can I do to make it right? Most people forget the third part. Sometimes saying sorry is the most difficult thing on earth, but it's the cheapest thing to save the most expensive gift called relationship. After every mistake, most of us say I'm sorry. Only few say and ask what should I do to make it right. This attitude makes a relation more beautiful and honest. I forgive, but I also learn a lesson. I would not hate you, but I will never get close enough for you to hurt me again. I can't let my forgiveness become foolishness. Sorry is just another way of saying you are more important than my ego. Apologizing does not always mean that you are wrong and the other person is right. It just means that you value your relationship more than your ego.